so actually what causes COPD? Smoking, cigarette smoke, or passive smoke. Okay? So, what is emphysema? Your alveoli lose the elasticity, and they expand. Some of them they collapse. First of all, you have to know emphysema, the wall of alveoli loses its elasticity. Okay, and then some of them collapse. Okay, so it reduces the total surface area of alveoli. So it reduces the efficiency of the gases exchange. You know what I'm talking? It causes the person to feel very difficult to breathe. Okay, now next one, asthma. So what actually causes asthma? Your bronchial, the wall becomes thickened. So when your bronchial, your wall of bronchial becomes thickened, the airflow becomes what? You get obstructed. You know what I'm talking? Because the wall of the bronchial becomes very thick, so they will disrupt the airflow. Very difficult to breathe. Okay? Now, what about chronic bronchitis? Chronic bronchitis is when your wall of bronchial. You know what's the bronchial? Trachea, bronchus, bronchial, here. And end with alveoli. Okay, now for chronic bronchitis, your bronchial is inflamed. Banana. Okay? They inflame, same thing like asthma, something similar, okay? They inflame really become thickened. And then your wall becomes spoiled, damaged, and it causes a lot of mucus. And it's very difficult to cough out the mucus. So your lung is full of water. Your mucus stays in the lung. That's chronic bronchitis. Asthma is just that your wall of bronchial becomes thickened, and then they obstruct the airflow. So cause you to feel very difficult to breathe. Okay? Understand? Chronic bronchitis, your bronchial get inflamed, and then your wall become thickened, same thing, and then your wall of epithelium of the bronchial damaged, and it causes the mucus to get stuck there, bronchial. And you can't cough out the mucus. COPD. Okay? Now, so can you tell me what is RNA and what is DNA? Yeah, this one you don't know? I'm going to cut the peanuts in small pieces to bring the blood. Okay, now I'm joking. So, now RNA and DNA. Now everybody knows that RNA is actually made up of one single strain of polynucleotides. Single strain of polynucleotides. One strain. Okay? Yes. So DNA is double strain. Okay? So what about one small little thing here? Polynucleotides is actually made from a nucleic acid. So what do you have in the nucleic acid? You have a sugar and pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. Pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. KSSM, you learn even more advanced. RNA is called ribose sugar. DNA is deoxyribose sugar. If you find very difficult, pentose sugar. Okay, now so, okay, KSSM syllabus, RNA is ribose sugar. It's found in your textbook. Okay, now DNA is deoxyribose sugar. The rest is the same. Okay, not the same. I mean, RNA, your nitrogenous base is slightly different for RNA. So RNA, everybody knows that. I'm talking about DNA first, huh? DNA, A must have T and G must have C. A, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Remember that? It's okay if you don't remember. Okay, now, so what about RNA? Your thymine will replace with uracil. Yes. Remember, ABUTHEN, those that haven't taken your exam yet? Okay, now, okay, your nitrogenous base is made from this. Okay, for DNA will be ATGC, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. This one will be adenine, uracil, guanine, and cytosine. RNA, you have three types of RNA, which is transfer, ribosomal, and then messenger. Very good. Okay, that's KSSM syllabus. Okay, now let's look at digestive system. You guys just need to know ribosome made of single strain polynucleotides. DNA made of double strain polynucleotides. What is gene? The small leg of DNA. Okay. Okay, now digestive system. Everybody needs to know this, okay? So